Dito naman sa 3D Lotto, 4,500 pesos ang panalo ng 10 piso ninyo pag nag-match ang 3 numbers ninyo sa mapipiling winning combination in exact order. 750 pesos or 1,500 pesos naman ang pwedeng mapanalunan sa Rambolito System Play. Thrice daily ang 3D Lotto, that's every 2 p.m., 5 p.m., and 9 p.m. At narito na ang ating 3D Lotto winning numbers. The first number is 2. The second number is 7. And the third number is 9. Muli po ang ating 3D Lotto winning numbers ngayong gabi ay 2, 7, and 9 in exact order. Hindi rin magpapahuli sa papremyo ang dalawang masaswerteng numero. Let's now play the 2D Lotto game. '2D Lotto fans, 4,000 pesos per 10 peso play ang panalo pag nag-match ang 2 numbers ninyo sa winning combination in exact order. Kung nanalo by the Rambolito System Play, 2,000 pesos ang mayuwi ninyo. To our Lotto winners, may 1 year kayo to claim your prizes. At nakapili na ng 2D Lotto winning numbers. For the first number, we have 22. And the second number is 10. Recapping the 2D Lotto winning combination for the 9 p.m. draw, we have 22 and 10 in exact order.